Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Today, treat especial. We got micro precision power chambers on a Leslie supertyfon. That's right, Nathan Airchime, the one who makes Airchimes, the K horns like these. Well, they took the design off of this and slapped it into a Leslie. So now I'm going to show you the inside of a Leslie. So, put you on my makeshift tripod, which is just my K3 with a RS chamber in here. This is the one of the ones that goes on Barney, which is right here. So, better to do it, just stick it on here. There we go. Now, what makes these very unique is that there's only 7 sets of these that were made total. These are their prototypes for these power chambers. Now, they only made 7 sets. Reasons why, I don't know. But what makes these very unique is that they use the same exact design as your K-horn, where it's got 2 diaphragms and a silicone ring. So let's take the screws out like so. Got the screws right here. Now these are the same screws that you could use in a Nathan back cap. Put those aside. Open her up carefully. And here's what the back cap looks like. And you got a little relief hole right here that protrudes right down there. This is what the back cap looks like. It's pretty small. If we compare it to a S back cap, they're relatively same size, if not a little bit smaller. A little good comparison. So let's put this aside. Put that right there for now. And here's what the diaphragms actually look like. Now, like I said, you got 2 diaphragms and a silicone ring. Now, these things are pretty small. For comparison, here is a P-horn diaphragm. See if this thing's seen better days. Quite a bit smaller. Now, if we compare this to a K-horn, what these things are actually designed from, big difference. So, let's just grab that, because I just grabbed that because it was on the top of my pile. So let's grab a stainless steel one right here. Put that aside. So, as you can see, there's quite a big difference in size. Now these are much thinner as well. Like this one feels pretty thick. However, this one is very flimsy. Very thick. Put this aside. And then lastly, why not compare this to the actual diaphragm that is originally used? RS diaphragm. See that this thing's brand new. So if we compare it, put it right over top. Now you can see that this thing is slightly larger, probably like a millimeter, maybe 1.5 millimeters bigger. Because you can see you can still see the silicone ring around it. However, not nearly as big. So this thing is slightly larger. So let's put these 2 aside. Here's the other side. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It looks fairly similar to an RS nozzle. It's got the same. What's quite interesting was the dowel pin, where the dowel pin goes. And that's actually threaded, which I found surprising. You can see the threads right there. But I found that quite interesting. But yeah, this is what a Nathan Airchime prototype looks like for these. So I hope you liked it. And next time you see these things, they'll be on top. They'll be on my Leslie right here. I'll take these off and I'll replace them with the Nathan Airchime power chambers. So let's hear how this thing sounds with the Nathan design.